Shamrock Rovers footballer Roberto Lopes was given a big send-off in his native Crumlin today ahead of his departure to the US to play in the FIFA World Cup. Mr. Lopes qualified for the tournament playing with Cape Verde, where his father is from.
Roberto Lopes thought he was visiting his parents for Sunday dinner, but the people of Ashling Close in Crumlin had other ideas. One of their own, about to head to the biggest stage in football, representing Cape Verde, where his father is from.
Huge achievement for Pico and his family and for the nation really. He's the only Irish person to play in a World Cup for a long, long time.
I'll tell you what, it's going to be a great day. Pico here celebrating to go out for the World Cup. Got all of his mates, a couple of neighbours, and yeah, honestly, it's looking good.
A pinnacle moment for the Shamrock Rovers man's career, as his parents will tell you.
We're just delighted because he's worked so hard and, you know, we couldn't be prouder of him. It's just wonderful.
That was Pico's dream since he was a baby, to become a footballer. And he made it.
And then the man they were all waiting for.
Yeah, it's a bit different than coming around to my match for Sunday lunch, to be honest with you. So when they're saying all the flags, I might have expected that this could be a party rather than a feast. So yeah, it's great.
Pico, as he's known, will be going up against Spain, Uruguay and Saudi Arabia in the US this summer. The 33-year-old won't be alone, as his wife Leah and 7-month-old son Diego will be following him all the way.
We're going to get a camper van and we're going to travel through the States. He probably won't remember it, but we'll be able to look back on photographs and videos and say that he was able to watch his daddy in the World Cup. So yeah, it's really special.
It's the first time Cape Verde will compete in the FIFA World Cup. It's a place known for volcanoes, but keep an eye on Crumlin, as there might be some eruptions. Gavin O'Callaghan, RTE News.